Hello everyone, let us continue with the paper discussion. So coming to the 19th question, cobalt is the constituent of dash. So the correct answer is vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is also known as cyanocobalamin and it is made up of two important components, cyanide and cobalt. Moving on to the next question, instrument used for measuring energy value of food. So the correct answer is the first option, bomb calorimeter. Remember that it is CALORI, calorimeter, and not calorimeter, right? Next, moving on to the next question, millet rich in calcium. So the answer is ragi, the third option. Ragi is rich in calcium as well as iron. Moving on to the next question, nitrate plays a role in the color of dash. So nitrate or nitrite is added to meat to retain the pink color of meat. So the correct option here is the second one, that is meat. Okay, and the process of addition of nitrite to meat is known as curing. And remember that the third option, sweet meat, means a dessert, so that is not correct. Moving on to the next question, very early mold growth in eggs is termed as dash. So here the correct answer is option 3, that is pink spot molding. So pink or reddish spots in egg occur due to the bacteria Pseudomonas. So the correct option is the third one. Moving on to the next question, germicidal ice is dash. So first of all, what is germicidal ice? It is the ice that has been treated with a germicide to inhibit the bacterial growth or microbial growth, and germicidal ice is usually used in the fish preservation. So here the correct answer is the second option, ice with chemical preservative. Moving on to the next question, surface ropiness in milk is caused by dash. So the correct answer is the option 2, alkali genus. So alkali genus viscolatus produces a kind of slimy layer on the slimy texture on the topmost surface of milk, right? So that is the correct option. This is an important question. It has been asked many times in the previous years. Moving on to the next question, which of the following is not a mold? So the first three options, Mucor, Rhizopus, Penicillium, are molds, and the last option, Saccharomyces, is not a mold because it comes under yeast. Moving on to the next question, anti-nutritional factor present in food causes goiter. So goiter is basically due to deficiency of iodine in the body, and here the correct answer is second option, goitrogens, because goitrogens are the foods or the ingredients in the foods that inhibit the uptake of iodine by the thyroid gland, and goitrogens are mainly found in the foods such as cassava, groundnut, and cruciferous vegetables like cabbage, cauliflower and all. Moving on to the next question, dash is the only cereal grain other than wheat capable of forming gluten. So here both the options, first one rye and the last option barley, both are correct because both rye and barley can form gluten. Moving on to the next question, winterized oil is called as dash. So the correct answer is the option 4, salad oil, because winterized oil is used in the production of salad dressings. Okay, winterization is the process used. Moving on to the next question, the most important ingredients in marshmallows are dash. So marshmallow is a sugar product that is made up of mainly sugar, corn syrup, water and gelatin. So here the correct option will be the second one, that is sugar and moisture. Moving on to the next question, preservation of the food in common salt or in vinegar is called as dash. So here the correct answer is pickling. It is not curing or salting or fermenting, it is pickling. Next question, a clear sparkling juice is called as dash. So here the correct option will be cordial, because fruit juice cordial is nothing but a sweetened fruit juice, and it is a clear juice. That means the pulp is completely removed and it is a clarified juice. Moving on to the next question, dash is prepared by spice bag method. This question is often repeated in the previous year. So the answer is ketchup or sauce. So actually spice bag method is the process in which we take a muslin cloth and we place all the spices into it and we tie the cloth and then we dip it into the ketchup or the sauce which is being made. Then we keep on cooking it, and that leads to all the spices will be infused into the ketchup, right? So that is spice bag method. Moving on to the next question, protein content of the cow's milk is dash. The answer is 3.5. Next, moving on to the next question, renin is dash. So here the correct answer is enzyme, because renin is an enzyme that is produced by the kidneys and it helps in regulation of the blood pressure. So these were some of the important questions from nutritional biochemistry. If you have found the video helpful, do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such useful content. Comment below or send us an email if you are interested in purchasing our premium mock test papers, which are exam focused and cover all the important concepts from the syllabus. You can also join our crash course for intensive coaching and top ranks guaranteed.